How to log into Birmingham Midshires mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Birmingham Midshires mortgage and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, bmortgages.co.uk. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website, at the top right, you'll see the option of sign in to view your mortgage. Click on that option. You will be directed to login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the 14-digit mortgage account number. You can find this in the mortgage statement. Then type in your date of birth. Now type in the postcode on your mortgage property. And after you provide all the details, click on sign in. With that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into Birmingham Midshires mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.